Hey people, so yesterday being May, that's what it was. Mohanlal Garu's birthday yesterday. I mean, Mohanlal is one of the reigning superstars of Malayalam cinema, and I'm half Malayali, right? So my dad was sitting and watching this. Practically all the Malayalam channels yesterday had these shows, celebrating Mohanlal, the actor's birthday, and apparently he's a singer also. And he was a bodybuilder, Mohanlal, the actor. I don't know if you do a Google search. So it's just so amazing, yeah. And he's 60. He turned 60, but he has such a sweet baby face, like. So I realize if you're a nice person, no matter what your age, you'll retain that certain cuteness, baby sweet face, so yeah, so a happy birthday, uh, Mohanlal sir. I mean, it's thank you for giving us such amazing Malayalam films. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.